Your company is looking into getting a SASE SD-WAN solution. If you want to know what some of those acronyms mean, go ahead and check out my other video I've done on what is SASE SD-WAN. That'll kind of give you some background, so I'm not just throwing out these crazy acronyms all over the place and you don't have any reference point. But check that out. But if you're looking into SD-WAN, you're thinking, hey, I've heard a lot about AI. Do SD-WAN providers use AI? Do SASE SD-WAN providers use AI? They absolutely do, and I'm going to tell you how they're using it in this video and why you want to make sure when you're shopping for a SASE solution, you're shopping around with service providers that offer AI-enabled SASE SD-WAN. But first, if you'd like my recommendation on the best SASE SD-WAN vendors your company should be quoting, reach out, send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you out with that. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, check out our website. If you look on our website under SD-WAN vendors, you're going to see all kinds of different options to be able to filter vendors by the types of SD-WAN features that you need. So that'll kind of give you a good starting point of a nice broad spectrum of vendors that are in the SD-WAN space, and you can kind of see customer reviews on them, you can read details about them, watch videos on them, all on our website. I guarantee you've never seen anything like this website. Go check it out. And as always, if you like the video, help me out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell. That'll help our video get out there to more people like yourself. So how does a SASE SD-WAN solution use AI? I know when I first heard that, I was like, AI, I thought that was more of a phone system thing, or like a call center thing. Like, how's SD-WAN using AI? And then I actually got some training on that and realized, I'm like, oh yeah, remember, SASE SD-WAN is really an SD-WAN solution that includes a cloud-enabled firewall service that's like a next-gen firewall security, network security service. That's what SD-WAN is. So it's SD-WAN, it's a cloud-enabled SD-WAN solution with a cloud firewall component. Okay, so that might give you an insight into where the AI is falling into. If not, let me give you a hint. It's the security part that's using AI. So first and foremost, what AI or machine learning is doing on the security side is it's able to recognize known threats. So on the network, your SASE SD-WAN solution is going to be able to know, like, hey, what existing threats are out there today? It's updating the database by the second, and it knows the characteristics of those threats. So it's going to be able to recognize known threats right away. The second way a SASE SD-WAN solution is going to use AI is the machine learning is actually going to learn your typical network behavior. And then when it sees any type of deviation outside of that typical network behavior, it's going to alert you to let you know, hey, this is unusual. This is not the typical thing we see on your network. And the third and final way a SASE SD-WAN solution is going to use AI to help you is it's going to sort simultaneous threats that are taking place. So, there's always different alerts that are going on the network. It's able to simultaneously compile all those alerts and prioritize them into the most urgent ones that you need to handle and alert you to those, like, hey, here's the order of alerts that you need to take a look at. So it's doing that all the time simultaneously so that you're not spending time on a lower priority when a higher priority alert exists. So that's something AI can do for you. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Obviously, if you're looking at a SASE SD-WAN solution, you want to make sure that the solution you're looking at is using machine learning within the SASE portion of the SD-WAN to improve your company's security, because those are things you just can't live without. If you're going to get next-gen security, you need those AI machine learning aspects of it. Okay, so if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you reach out to me and get my advice. If you want my recommendations on the best SASE SD-WAN vendors your company should be quoting, reach out and contact me. I've been a broker for over 20 years. I represent all of the major vendors in this space. So if you tell me about your company's requirements, I'm automatically going to know, okay, if I were you, I'd look at these 2 or 3 vendors. I'll introduce you to those vendors. I'll introduce you to the best reps to work with at those vendors. I'll oversee the quoting process to make sure your company gets the best pricing. And just overall, I'll help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. And the nice thing is, on top of everything, Your company doesn't have to pay me anything. The service providers pay me my broker fee. So no excuse not to at least reach out and see what I might have to say, see what opinions I might have over it. And that's a big way you could say thank you if you enjoyed the video is, hey, reach out, contact me, ask me for my help on your project. Don't forget to check out our website, aerocominc.com, search SD-WAN vendors by feature, read reviews, look at videos, all kinds of cool stuff. And thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one.